Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you a best backpack to buy online.
Here we go.
Let's open the package. I have ordered this in Amazon at 900 rupees in lightning deal, but now regular price is 1100. If you want to buy, I have given link in description. You can buy from there. Okay, let's open the pack. Okay, there is nothing in this cover, and there is a invoice about product. Okay, let's open the cover. It is made up of PU leather. Okay, nice look. Okay, this is our bag. Okay, nice bag. We can use for this for school, college, and to travel anywhere. Okay, the quality also good. It has worth at 900 or regular price 1100 rupees. Okay, quality also good. Here you can see the branding for juden, and it's also too strong, anti-theft zip for juden branding. And let's open and see how zips are comfortable. Okay, there is second zip, and this is waterproof resistant. When it is rainy, we can keep our gadgets inside safely. Okay, here are some of pockets, and there is a charging cable. I will show you how to use it. Okay, there is a port. So just to connect this USB to power bank, and we have to connect another USB here. Okay, I am connecting the USB cable here, and okay, done. And connect this to your power bank and keep inside. Okay, and we can charge our mobile without opening zip and power bank. So when you are walking by a roadside, you can use like this comfortably, and our mobile is charging, so you can use that like this. And if you won't use it, you can also remove this from the bag. I'll show you just to open the zip inside and pull it out. Yeah, this is the cable which has the provided. There it has empty, and there is a silicone powder. And next, fourth zip, this is for to keep our laptop safely, and these are 4 zips here. Okay, it is comfortable inside for laptops, and it has 30 liters of capacity. So we can easily use our more discs or books easily. And here we can install all these also, both like this. And it has a 15.6 inches length. Okay, nice bag. We can buy this at rupees. So don't forget to like my video and share my video to your friends and family members. Thank you.